Nature theory, often referred to as the biological perspective in the nature versus nurture debate, suggests that human behavior, personality, and cognitive traits are primarily determined by innate biological factors rather than environmental influences. In this view, your internal blueprint dictates who you are and who you will become. Core pillars of nature theory. Nature theory relies on three main biological mechanisms: genetics and heredity, neurobiology, evolutionary psychology. Genetics and heredity is the most significant component, as this argues that specific traits, ranging from eye color to intelligence, are passed down from parents to offspring through DNA.
Papa!
Hey!
Mama!
Hey!
Mau ăn gì vậy?
Nature theory focuses on the genotype as the driver. For the phenotype, most traits are polygenic, meaning they result from the interaction of hundreds or thousands of genes. 2. Neurobiology examines how the physical structures and chemicals in the brain influences behavior, and this includes neurotransmitter, which is the balance of chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, and the brain anatomy, that differences in the size or activity levels of specific areas. Amygdala is for emotional processing, or the prefrontal cortex, or the decision-making. Evolutionary psychology is a branch of nature theory that suggests that certain behavioral traits exist today because they provided an ancestral survival advantage. Nature theory also emphasizes maturation, the biological unfolding of characteristics according to a genetic timetable. This suggests that certain milestones are pre-programmed. Example: a child is genetically programmed to begin walking or teething at a certain age. Nature theorists argue that cognitive abilities and emotional regulation also have on switches triggered by biological age, relatively independent of environmental stimulation. Twin and adoption studies provide the strongest evidence for this theory. Nature theory doesn't always claim that a behavior is certain, but rather that we inherit predispositions. Does not guarantee that the conditioned traits will manifest without environmental triggers. Nature theory also accounts for why siblings can be so different. During meiosis, genes are shuffled in a process called recombination that ensures while we inherit the nature of our parents, every individual is a unique genetic experiment.
La la la, don't be so. La 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 la.
Conception. Process begins with genetic transmission. At the moment of fertilization, 23 chromosomes from each parent combine to create a unique genome. Genetic expressions. Cells read specific segments of DNA to create proteins that build the brain structures and regulate hormones and neurotransmitters. Maturation. It dictates that human development follows an orderly, universal sequence. Niche picking. As an individual grows, the process of this theory influences how they interact with the world through a concept called active genotype-environment correlation. Feedback loops. The final stage of the process involves how your nature changes the people around you.